Welcome to the presentation of another functionality of the biz²OfficeSynchronizer of inPuncto. In this presentation we want to show you the integration also with the SAP Easy Document Management. The first screen shows you the integration of SAP Easy Document Management inside the Microsoft Explorer. And we want to do something inside the folder structure, so we want to generate a new folder in this case, and we call the new folder test B2S integration. So this folder is, of course, it's empty, and we switch over to the Microsoft Word application and want to generate a new document. You know it from the screen cams we see before, that we have to choose the document type outcoming from the SAP system, and so we identify the character of these document, and directly outcoming from the Microsoft Word we can generate the new document info record in SAP. And so if we want to generate these document info record, we will be asked, do we want to store it also in the structure of the SAP EasyDM management. So we choose the folder we generated just before, the test B2OS integration, and of course we have to fulfill all the required information about order numbers and network numbers, type some description inside, and we get a little warning, so the field customer number is needed in this case, and so we search for the customer numbers, of course, in the same way. And the Office Synchronizer allows that we directly out of the Microsoft Word application we can switch over to the screen of SAP. We show the document info record and we see, for example, all the object links we generated before. Back again to the SAP EasyDM, we open the folder we generated, the test B2OS integration, and we see that the file appears here also in the structure, of course with the checked out sign with the open lock. And back again to the Microsoft application, we generate some bookmarks which also in the customizing of the SAP system. So we want to integrate some object links with the customer and network and so on, and so you see that the document is just included in the complete SAP business logic. So after we fulfill all the information we needed in this document, we want to store this document as an original in the SAP world, and this was successfully stored, you see over there, and was locally deleted. And if we switch over to the SAP EasyDM part, and then you see also this file, and with the description, with the file name, status information, and so on. And directly from the SAP EasyDM, you can, with a double click, you can open the document. And in this example, we want to add the value of the description inside the document, and we take the bookmark and synchronize it with the SAP system, and now the value description B2S integration appears in the document, and we close it for the next demonstration. The next feature is that you have the possibility to change values directly inside the SAP EasyDM. This means in this case we want to change the document description, and we type the new value with new description, new, and so on, and with a double click we open the document from the EasyDM, and we switch over to the working modus, and pay attention, now all the values has been changed, also the description value. This is very easily handling, so you can change your values inside the document. Second, you can change the values inside the EasyDM, and of course third thing, you can change the values inside the SAP. And every world is consistent because the SAP is the leading system, so it's important to say that additional to the biz²OfficeSynchronizer has more the focus on the content of the document. So if you want to handle some files on a file level, then you use, for example, the SAP EasyDM to copy this file or move the file into the folders. But if you want to have some additional values, some additional level in the field of content inside of the document, then you will using the biz²OfficeSynchronizer additional to the SAP EasyDM. I thank you very much for your attention, and I say bye-bye.